Alright, man, here's another slight video, man. Got my son out here. Hopefully he'll go tumbling down the driveway. The boy crazy, man. He be running up and down. But anyway, got something in the mail. Bro, I ordered this. Hold up, man. First off, man, you already see what's going on, boy. If you ain't seen the last couple videos, I can't remember, go check it out. Did get the wrap done. The car is dirty right now. I'm gonna wash it once I edit the stuff I got. Oh my goodness. Slow shit. But anyway, man, big red eye out, you know what I'm saying? About to add this mod. I'm telling y'all, man, I got a lot of stuff coming. Y'all stay tuned, man. Got a lot of shit coming. Oh, it's a lot of slow shit out today, man. But anyway, ordered this back in January. Just got it today. This is oil catch can, billet technology. Giannis. And yeah, so go ahead and unbox this and show you everything. Actually, I'm gonna take all this out and then I'm gonna show you everything that came in the box. All right, so I got everything out the box. See, I did go with the red. Come on, man, y'all had to know I was gonna go with the red. This is the oil catch can right here. Got the hoses, braided hoses right here. Also got the fittings red as well. And let's see, some more pieces right here. And the instructions, that's everything that came in the box. So I watched like one video. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna double check it. It really ain't that hard. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all know me, man. Step by step. Oil catch can install on Hellcat Redeye, man. Let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is take off this side of the engine cover. So what you gotta do is basically pull up right here. Pull up right here, and then just lift it up. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to unhook this part of the hose and this part right here. So you're just going to start with this one. Now it's a clamp on this side. I don't know if you can see it. You pretty much got, it's a little piece right here. You'll be able to feel it. You're going to lift it up, and it's going to make this expand, and then you're just going to pull this up. You see? So it's just this clamp right here. This right here. You're just going to pull this up, and then lift this at the same time, and that's how you get that off. Okay, so once you got this one gets disconnected, you're just gonna come right here on this white one. You see these two little clamps right here, one right here, one right here. You're basically gonna spread these and push them down. Spread them and push them down, because it's you pretty much trying to get this piece out right here. You see, so yeah, you gotta press this in and then push it down. So yep, there we go. And then do the other side as well. It's twisting. So I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna show you on the camera what I'm talking about. All right, so this is basically what I'm talking about. You just gonna put it back together so I'll show y'all. These two white pieces right here, you basically need to spread them. So you just pull this part out, and then it basically makes it unlatch. So you just pull this off. So this is what it looks like right here. See, we got both ends off, so I'm about to move to the next step. All right, so next thing you want to do is you want to take the oil catch can itself, and you're going to pretty much mount it on this bracket right here. You see how we already got the screw part right there. And once you get that on there, you want to take your washer and your lug nut. Now you want to put the washer on first, and then screw the lug nut on there, you know, just for a little bit. And you just have this like rest right here, have that sitting right there, and make sure you be careful, because I mean, if you drop this down there, you don't know how you're gonna get it back. So I got the camera in my hand. I'm about to put the camera down, but like I say, take your oil catch can, mount it right here on this screw that's hanging out. Take your washer, put that on there, and then just hand screw this for now, and you're gonna tighten it up later. So I'm gonna get that on there, and then I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so I got this on here. Mind you, I didn't tighten it. You'd actually tighten it now, but I was just showing y'all this part right here. So now you got two hoses. Now every kit doesn't come with these. I ordered these, pay a little extra more. I said, why not? So the longer hose is you're gonna put this piece right here on the longer hose, and this piece right here on the shorter hose. And I'll show you, pretty much show you where each hose go. I'm about to tighten up the bracket. What you're gonna do is make sure you got it angled, you know, pretty much straight up, and then just tighten it up from there. Once I get it there, I'll show you what it look like. All right, so you see I got the oil catch can on. I got it leveled perfect, you know, at least to my eyes. Now, I got my hoses assembled. Like I told you, you're gonna put this one on the longer one, this one on the shorter one. Now this piece right here is gonna go onto this, and then this end is gonna clip on this. Now obviously, like I said, I got the camera in my hand, so I'm gonna put the camera down, but I'm showing you this piece right here goes right here, and then this end is gonna connect to the slanted side. So I'm about to put this on. I'm gonna show you what it look like. All right, so you see, simple, just put those pieces on there. Make sure you put this in right here. This end goes to the slanted side. You're gonna take this cord right here, and this piece is gonna go down here on this silver piece right here. Let me show you right here. And then you're gonna drive that hose to this one right here. So it's pretty much from that silver hose to right here. It's not that hard. Just put this part down first, and this part's gonna go on there. So I'm about to go ahead and put that on there now. All right, so you see I got both hoses on. Bam, bam. Like I said, the shorter one drives from the bottom to this side. The longer one goes from here. Pretty quick, easy install. Like I said, I actually ordered this for my car pretty much the same week I bought the car, but because I got the special colors and all that stuff, you can call them or go on their website. They do have some stuff that's available to ship right then, but I want this particular color. Now, I did not know it's gonna take 2 months, but nonetheless, I finally got it on. Pretty easy install. If you go back on my channel, I did have this on my scat pack on both scats. So it is beneficial. I did do a mild update, so you definitely check it out. And one last thing, before you get done, you know, you close your hood, make sure that this is screwed on tight. You know, it's already screwed on tight, but you gotta double check, because on one of my scats I didn't do that and it fell off and it was down there. I had to pick it up, but luckily it's the same day. But make sure everything's tight, sealed, all that, and you're good to go. I'm gonna put the engine cover on, show you a quick look at it, and that's gonna be pretty much it, man. Quick look, engine cover back on, fully installed oil catch can. Definitely, if you got one of these cars, definitely get you one of these. It is beneficial. Just pretty much follow the steps. You can't mess up. You know, you can mistakenly put the wrong holes on there, but like I said, if you pay attention to my video, you're gonna get that done correctly. I am gonna clean the engine bay out. I'm about to have somebody come full detail the car once I get the wrap finished. And definitely stay tuned. Got way more mods on the way, man. And I'm out.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96. 11 past 11.